So, my dear friends, today we are going to discuss one more topic of our environmental chemistry, that is soil pollution. What actually soil pollution means? Soil pollution refers to the contamination of soil, which it simply means the contamination of soil, we can say, with anomalous concentration of toxic substances, harmful सब्सटेंस ऐड करने से आप सॉइल में जब ये चीज़ें ऐड हो जाती हैं तो सॉइल पोल्यूशन कहलाता है। तो अगर हम सोर्सेज ऑफ सॉइल पोल्यूशन देखेंगे तो दैट इज़ एग्रीकल्चरल एक्टिविटीज़ लाइक इंसेक्टिसाइड्स, पेस्टिसाइड्स, फर्टिलाइजर्स, दे आर ऑल एडेड टू द सॉइल। एक्सेसिव इंडस्ट्रियल एक्टिविटीज़, बहुत सारे जो वेस्टेज निकलते हैं इंडस्ट्री से, दैट कैन बी एडेड टू द सॉइल। सिमिलरली पुअर मैनेजमेंट और वी कैन से इनएफिशिएंट डिस्पोजल ऑफ वेस्ट, जो हम वेस्ट ज़मीन में डिस्पोज करते हैं तो दे आल्सो बिकम द हैंडी फॉर सॉइल पोल्यूशन. What types of these pollutants are? So the type of pollutants which can be a heavy metal, so heavy metals can be arsenic, antimony, cadmium, lead, mercury. Similarly we have another type of pollutants, that is we can say polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons like naphthalene, anthracene, phenylene, or we can say they are all carcinogenic in nature. Heavy metals are generally toxic in nature. They can create, we can say they can cause fatal, they prove fatal, and they can cause death for a particular animal, or we can say. Similarly industrial wastes like dioxins, PCBs, plasticizers, dispersants, they are all, we can say, industrial wastes and can be fatal. Similarly we have another type of, that is pesticides, herbicides, insecticides, fungicides. They are generally included in the agricultural activities. Another pollutant that is highly dangerous and we can say fatal one, that is copper sulfate, which can make a huge problem in animals, particularly in central nervous system, immune system, cancer, birth defects. So these are the uh, main causes, main defects due to copper sulfate. Now what are the processes that can cause soil pollution? First one is natural, second one is anthropogenic, that is by human activities. So natural, can be a natural one because of some volcanic eruption or another, so many we can say natural phenomena. Another is anthropogenic, the all which we have discussed, that is agricultural, heavy met polyaromatic, we can say industrial pesticides, they may all in anthropogenic. So the main consequences are effect on human beings, effect on plants and animals, and also effect on ecosystem. These are the all which generally make a huge problem, generally on animals and plants. So the soil pollution, what are the main, we can say, steps to control this soil pollution? That is simply the sources will be the main, when we prevent the sources, when we can say control the sources, the preventions can be underway. So hope for understand.